Hey folks, I'm Arun Ulag. I'm the Corporate Vice President of Azure Data. I run all of data for Microsoft. That's databases, that's analytics, that's data integration, that's messaging, and business intelligence. So guess what? We're going to have an entire conference focused on data and AI. So you can go deep into Fabric. You can get all of the details you're looking for. You can go deep into Purview. You can get a lot of information about Azure AI and all the innovation with large language models and OpenAI, and talk about databases and governance and Power BI and how all of this comes together. So it's going to be a few full days. A lot of our engineers, a lot of our product managers, a lot of our customers are going to be there. Can't wait to see you.